welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a balloon drawing with these button balloons. These buttons are going to be balloons, and I'm going to tell you what I'm looking at right now. A glue bubble. Yeah, and when I look inside it, everything is so tiny inside. That's why I was looking at it. I'm going to paste the red one. I have a paper here and I'm using Fevigum. This is now finished and I love it so much. I really love it. I love the tree and the grass and the balloons and this. I love everything about this painting. I love it. If you don't have these buttons, you can also use like little piece of circle cardboard and you can just paint them or color them anything, or you can just draw the balloons. Or you can use anything else that you have, like old buttons or some stickers, gems, anything. Gem stickers, I mean, not gems, gem stickers. And it will look awesome. And for now, bye bye. And if you like my video, subscribe and like and share with your family and friends if you want more videos. And